Kenya Revenue Authority officers this morning seized a Kisumu-bound package of narcotics at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport sent from China via an international courier company. The officers attached the KRA Customs and Border Control Division intercepted the package at the DHL JKIA warehouses and managed to seize the 1 kilogram parcel containing a narcotic substance suspected to be heroin. KRA Customs and Border Control Commissioner Julius Musyoki said the package containing the white narcotic substance had been concealed in a parcel earlier declared as massage pens.